Good morning, 4th graders. Today we're doing lesson 3.4, which focuses on using more multiplication facts to practice. We're going to start with a warm-up. These are called our mental math and reflexes. You do not need to write down the problem, but as quickly as you can, you're going to solve all 4 of these. If you finish early, you may add on extra practice problems. All right, I'll say the problem, you say the answer. 4 times 4, 6 times 5 equals, 7 times 3 equals, and 8 times 3 equals. Erase your board and get ready for the problems. Go ahead and solve these on your board. I'll say the problem, you say the answer. 6 times 7 equals, 5 times 7 equals, 9 times 8 equals, and 8 times 6 equals. At this time, you may erase your board, and as soon as you have your board, marker, and eraser put down, we'll get going with our lesson for today. Today, you're going to have a variety of activities to practice your multiplication facts. The first thing you're going to be doing is just a practice test. There are 50 problems on here again, and again, you're going to solve them as quick as you can, and then turn them. Once you're done with that, we have 2 different math boxes we're doing today. The first one is Math Box 3.4. Open to this right now, and we're going to try number 4 together. Number 4 says, name as many line segments as you can in the figure below. The key part here is that it's a line segment. That means we're going to have 2 letters, and above it is just one little line segment. So for example, we might have E, F. We have 2 points and a line segment above. Then we put a comma. Go ahead and write down the other line segments that you notice on this line. Alright, let's see if we got all of them. So we have E, F. You might do E, G, E, H. We could do F, G, F, H, or we might have G, H. Any of these can also be flipped around the other way. So EF could be FE, EG could be GE, but we don't need to write down both of those because they are naming the same line segment. The second math box that you're going to be doing is Math Box 3.7. So go ahead and open your book to 3.7 Math Box, and we're going to solve number 3 together. This problem says a rock collector has 136 rocks in her collection. She took them to a geologist who said that 57 of them are volcanic. How many of them are not volcanic? So we know 136 total. We know 57 are volcanic. So we want to know how many are not. So we know the total of the ones that are and are not needs to equal 137. In other words, we're doing 137 minus 57. I'm sorry, it's actually 136, and this should also be a 6. So go ahead and solve on your own right now. What is 136 minus 57, and how would we write this with a unit? Right, so we should have the answer of 79 rocks. You'll be finishing this. The final thing you're doing is on page 154B. It's again practicing the elapsed time. Let's take a look at your learning journey to see what you have going on today. First thing first, you're doing the Math Master, and then turn it in. Then Math Box 3.4, followed by Math Box 3.7, journal page 154B. Activity B and C are listed below. You might be using a Chromebook today.